All right, as y'all can see, my makeup is done. It's 12:51. I'm supposed to pick up my daughter at 3:15, and I got a birthday dinner at like 3:30. So we're gonna try to see if we can do this in oh, see, I'm gonna do it wrong already. We're gonna try to see if we can do this in like an hour. I mean, that's all I got. Ooh, cut that too far. All I got is an hour. All right, cap on, ear holes cut out. Let's spray the lace. Not the lace, but you know the cap. Child, I am not EKing. I cannot do this in an hour. But or who be trying to do their hair in an hour? Is that done? Child, one of them. Not them. Fire on cool. Let's go. Okay, I sprayed her some more and set her some more. So now I'm gonna cut this extra lace. Then I'm gonna, you know, tint the cap, making my color a little bit, whatever. And then after that, we'll be back with whatever's next. We got 1 minute and it's 1:17. Cut off the extra lace and make sure it's the lace. Don't be cutting your little edges. That's why y'all got gaps and, you know, all this alopecia. After you match the cap to your color, I would say go ahead and tint your wig with whatever lace spray. I'm out. I'm gonna use what I got, but I'm probably gonna just foundation. All right, go ahead and apply your glue. I was gonna use Ghost Blonde, but y'all, Bestie Game came in with the freeze bitch, so I'm gonna use that. Fuck, suck, and swim bitch all night or some shit she said. So we're gonna use that. And I be scared to use new glues, cause if it don't hold my lace, then Bestie, we got a little issue. I don't even know where I left off, but y'all, it's two. It's two. I just let that talk. It's 156. Ciao, bye, bye. All right, so next I'm just gonna put the wig on, hot comb it back, and start cutting the lace. Y'all, it's 3:49. I didn't finish my hair. I was at the plucking and the styling part, but I said fuck it, because I'm late already. And it's not my birthday, so I don't gotta, you know. So I had to put a hat on her, and I just gotta go to the birthday dinner, and then I'm gonna finish it after the birthday dinner is over. So tune in for part 2.